Now, me dwell on the manifestos. Maybe I hear me economy. Now, offer ye can saying or more year. Just say, listen, tin pictures in your day, baby economy. Share ye yatro. Make kind of NPP.
Okay.
What's it? Sustain and expand Ghana's rebounding economy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One enumerated 5 items. That is here Kotuaba. Now you're Ghanani. Now you're what been said. Kotuaba NPP. Tia some more catcho. Then who's our that? Jana so did that. So we are having about Alan economy. So what's it? Number 1. As someone much more of the baby money in a new. Number 1. Further accelerate the growth and expansion of economy over the next 4 years. We increased the size of the economy by 20 billion USD since 2016, from 56 billion USD to 76 billion by the end of December 2023. That is number 1. Number 2, achieve and sustain an average 6% growth by expanding agriculture, mining, including establishing Mineral Development Bank, 1D1F, emerging industries, digital hub services, sports, tourism, and creative arts. That is number 2. Number 3, increase public-private partnership, PPP, as an important funding model for delivering public infrastructure projects. That is number 3. 4. Establish the Independent Fiscal Responsibility Council to oversee fiscal policy. Number 4, Number 5, amend the Fiscal Responsibility Act to add a new fiscal rule that requires that the expenditure in any year does not exceed 105% of the previous year's tax revenue.
Economy deal.
Economy no.
Okay.
We and almost say Ghana for Sheso and Tuaba Mago. Captain, I represent Nipa 319 put together to write the manifesto. And this is all they have for the economy. Ghana for Mati. Mobian Gonkofa, I'm correct. This is the
oh, please.
We have the
full.
This is 40 how many pages? 40 pages. We have the full one.
Please. Please. That's an abbreviation. What is summarizing?
The Great Transformational Plan. Let us see Alan the vision on the economy. This transformational plan, it has been put into 6 clusters, and every cluster can say pillars. Under pillar be also no your thematic area. Then under a thematic area we have the solution, the policy solution. To the micro economy or no and the you can say pillar. Under the pillar, no, you have 11 thematic areas. That is expenditure management and control, revenue optimization, economy, lower taxes and duties, stable currency, low inflation, low competitive interest rate and financing charges, debt sustainability management, increasing financing for SMEs, then reforms in cocoa sector financing, deepening capital market and financial intermediation, then improving labor productivities. 11. Thematic areas. Now, when you come to the thematic area, expenditure management and control, yes, 13 policy solutions. 13 policy solutions.
A policy solution.
Yes. Out of the
solution, a policy solution.
Policy solution.
Okay.
Out of the 11 thematic areas, we find one thematic area: expenditure management and control. Solution. 13. We find the next one: revenue optimization. You get 13 solutions. Low taxes and duties. You get 8 solutions. We find stable currency. You get 10 solutions. We find low inflation. You get 7 solutions. you can say low competitive interest rate and but also yekita 9 solutions. Over debt sustainability and so yekita 6 solutions. Maybe way the amount for the one with the difference between Alan Kojo maintain and the back. So look, what is it? Make a was say, where ye or more beggars or more exceed 105% of the previous GDP. 10 year first a manifesto and they can under so, number 1 was it enforce existing legal and regulatory regime on fiscal calling to ensure that budget deficit does not exceed 5% of the GDP. Obi can 105%. Obi can 105%. We are saying it should not exceed 5% of the GDP. Number 2, establish a lean but efficient government for please. Hey, woman pay mommy, Mr. Mo.
What just
please. Hey, who call class 1? Mr. Call class 1, please. Nyabutre.
Okay, I take for Muntia.
Nyabutre. Number 2.
So call
105 men. Look at the queries.
I don't know book no na mekae.
Hey, 105. It's also 5%. Also the same thing.
Huh?
The same thing.
105 5%.
Trust.
I'll call we back.
Trust.
Number 2. Was say establish a lean but efficient government. And was say government expenditure on ministers, CEOs, a bomb manaka. Reduce just to make sure say your team ab manage your expenditure and in the kaika. Share offer baby to say Minister of Energy. Your Petroleum Commission, your Energy Commission, your NPP, a whole lot, about 14. I didn't to me imagine your best suggest for. I will share more a year or more. Yeah, just say what you say. Almost the same. They tell it to make it come so that as a car ye talk munama see you ye say in the kaika ye bet me reduce na the or minor ejapade. These are some of the things we are saying say ye bet me make sure say ye be ama or minor esi 13 wo dey may just 2 years so pe economy wo ba revenue optimization honum so that is so said the make an no wama the same thing 13 na ewo mu na say ya no aboba ku bi so was expand the tax net to draw in different segments of economic sectors including artisans, technicians and other self-employed informal sector operators and professionals operating in the formal sector. So we say your tax regime your tax regime ewo ko say no ya dia just emu ankasa beti obe make sure say you better to the ye hwese ebia wakwakoto ade VAT watua wa ha na akwakoye compound calculation we do and one say tua eti you better say 17.5 and so under normal circumstances no be we na number 30 something any ade obeke obeye sa biomadi na aba bibia